western Passaic, and the following areas in New York, Orange and Putnam. Blizzard warning in effect from midnight tonight to midnight Tuesday night. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from midnight tonight to midnight Tuesday night. Locations, Orange and Putnam counties in New York and western Passaic County and New Jersey. Hazard types, heavy snow and blizzard conditions. Snow accumulations, 18 to 24 inches with locally higher amounts. Snowfall rates, 2 to 4 inches per hour early Tuesday morning into Tuesday afternoon. Timing, late tonight into Tuesday evening. Impacts, dangerous travel due to whiteout conditions at times. Several roads may become impassable. Winds, northeast 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Temperatures, in the lower 20s. Visibilities, 1/4 mile only at times. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.
Here might be a CFW.
The following areas in New York, northeast Suffolk and southeast Suffolk. Coastal flood warning in effect from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Tuesday. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a coastal flood warning, which is in effect from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Tuesday. The coastal flood advisory is no longer in effect.
What the? Oh no, that was
For the following
a glitch.
areas in New York, southwest